Hello boys and girls and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do an art project related to Space Day. Now Space Day is an unofficial educational holiday celebrated each year on May 1st. The purpose of the holiday is to promote science, technology, engineering, and mathematics to young people. And today we're going to focus more on the science part, as far as learning about our planets and our solar system. So before we get started, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So let me show you what we're going to work on today. These are the planets in our solar system, so go ahead and grab whatever you have, paint, crayons, markers, it doesn't matter. Go ahead and grab it and paper, and let's get started. All right, everyone, let's get started with our solar system. So the first thing we're going to do is color the background black. And, like I said, I'm using paint, but you can use whatever you have at home to paint to create your solar system. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to cover the entire paper with black. Okay, so I'm going to let my paint dry and then we'll move on to the next step. Okay, so the paint is dry. So we're going to go ahead and start adding our planets to the picture. And the first thing we're going to add is the sun. Now, did you know, boys and girls, that the sun is actually considered a star? Yep, so we're going to put the sun in the bottom left corner. And I'm just going to use some yellow to add the sun. And just be careful, don't make the sun too big on your paper because we still have to add 8 planets. Okay, so we have the sun, and we're going to move on to the first planet. The first planet is Mercury. Now, as far as the color, it does not matter what color you use. I'm going to go ahead and dry off my brush. Alright, I'm just going to grab this paint and I'm going to place Mercury right here. Just add a little bit more paint. Alright, and that is Mercury. And the next planet after Mercury is Venus. Alright, we're adding in Venus. Okay, that is Venus. Now, the next planet we're going to add, and I'll give you a hint. We're currently on this planet right now. You guessed it, we're on Earth. So I'm going to place the Earth right here. And while the paint is still wet, I'll add in green to represent the land masses on Earth so we can move on to the next planet. Okay, that is our wonderful Earth. Now, next up after Earth is Mars. So I'm just going to grab some red paint from Mars. Yeah, let's put Mars right here. Okay, now after Mars comes Jupiter. And Jupiter is just a little bit bigger than the other planets we've created so far. But again, don't draw it too big because we still have more planets to add. Okay, let's move on. So now, next up is Saturn. Now, the cool thing about Saturn is it has a ring around the planet. So it's actually pretty cool. I'll add other resources in the description so you can read up more information about our planets, why Saturn has a ring, so forth and so on. And I will attempt to add a ring around Saturn. Yeah, I'm just going to go back over it with red. Well, I did the best I could with the ring. But okay, but after Saturn comes Uranus. That is the next planet. And that's a little too dark. I'm going to add some more white to my paint so you can see. Much better. So that is Uranus. And now the last planet we have to add is Neptune. When I was growing up, technically the last planet was Pluto, but as of 2006, astronomers and scientists have declared that Pluto is no longer considered a planet. So that's why I left out Pluto. But right now I'm just going to touch up Saturn because I don't like how it looks. So okay, Saturn looks much better. Now, last but not least, we're going to add stars. You'll simply use the color white. I'm going to use white paint and just put in dots to represent the stars. And there we have it. We have created our Space Day project. Thank you for watching.